today I'm going to teach you all a simple but an amazing spell through candle rituals. This is basically a wish manifestation ritual because many people saw my Merlin candle ritual and many people said that Merlin and cat which I had given was more for a single wish. So many people asked me, is it a possibility where we can bring in multiple wishes? You can combine Merlin candle also in this when you're doing this ritual. Or what is the purpose of this? Now I am going to do this for a client who is looking for he basically has 2-3 businesses, but he wants a certain number of amount to come from that. So for that I'm doing this. But before I start, I want to explain what is the thing that the candle is going to do. Now the cat basically works for going and bringing in what I ask it to do. Why I'm using this color cat? I cannot speak different colors of cats because that is what the candle magic class is for, as I always say. So I cannot do that, but I can just tell you that because this is money related, I'm using the green cat. And here the 7 knob, basically what I always do is 7 knob. I like 7 knob because it works in 2 ways. One is you can use each day one knob, which actually I don't use because sometimes what I feel is in case the knob burns off and it goes off to the second thing, then again my spell gets stopped there. But what I do is I write 7 times, even if it is the same wish, even if it's different wishes. For example, if you feel you are looking for a life partner, I want to give this as an example. You want a life partner who you have certain qualities in your mind that I want my life partner to be understanding, 1 point, caring, loving, and bonding with me, and accepting me the way I am, accepting my family. Whatever are your 7 points, what we do is caring partner, loving partner, understanding partner, accepting me the way I am, like that I write the 7 qualities. Okay, and then I put the cat for the client because basically the cat will go and bring in such that type of profiles, not such, that type of profiles. Again, in that I will not be using this 7 knob and this, because as I said, then that is where the class is for the candle class. So I'm just telling you all the ways of using it. So now here what I'm going to do is, this is basically the client needs money. In what all ways, what all businesses he has. So what I do is I write. Now for example, you are a healer or you are a tarot reader. You are looking for a particular type of clientele. I thought I will explain in that way. So in one knob you can write, I attract tarot clients. I attract, say for example, you are getting 25 clients a month. So now you want more clients. So I attract tarot clients. I attract 35 tarot clients. Okay. I attract paying clients because most of them come to me and say that no, the problem is that they don't pay. So I attract paying clients. Okay. So this is 3. 4th one, you can write, I attract clients through online and in person, because the more you are specific in writing, the more it is easier. Okay. If you feel that say per client you're charging 1,000 rupees, so 35 clients is 35,000. I attract 35,000 through tarot. So again you're reaffirming that for this is what you're doing. Okay. The magic is happening and I am earning 35,000 through tarot. The magic is happening and I am earning 35,000 through tarot. I am happy with 35 tarot clients a month. This is a small example. You can write however you want. Okay. So again, if you are not in tarot, I am in business and I am earning 1 lakh a month. I want 7 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 4 lakhs or 3 lakhs. You can write everywhere, I earn 7 lakhs a month. I earn 7 lakhs a month. 7 times. It's more like you're confirming it 7 times. Okay. You can also write, I earn 7 lakhs a month, so mote it be. I earn 7 lakhs a month, so mote it be. However you want. So now I'm going to write what I desire for the client. Okay. Actually 7 knob works more powerful in this way. When you write, when you don't burn it as every day and you burn it as at a stretch, all the 7 knobs together. Also, the best oil to use for this is wish manifestation oil and wish powder. But for example, you don't have say wish manifestation oil and wish powder, you can use rose oil and chamomile powder, but that oil and powder works more better. If you have it, which you have, many of you have usually pick oils from me, so if you have it, then that is better. Else rose oil. Now I have written, if you it will not be shown, I have carved. Okay, I will take the wish manifestation oil, and I will apply it on the candle. Again, you all must be asking from the base to the wick or from the wick to the base. I don't follow all that. I feel the focus and everything should be on the candle when you're doing the candle, and not on how the oil is being applied, whether it is from base to the wick or wick to the base. It's okay, it's all irrelevant as far as you're doing it with strong intent that your client is getting what your client has come to you for. Okay, and why again yellow 7 over here? Because the client who has come to me is a businessman. Okay, so the yellow. So for other things it will change. I know most of you all are aware of my boss fix kit, where I use a 7 knob with the 7 skull candles, and which has actually worked beautifully for loads and loads of people, where it has to work on a specific work related issue. So you all already know it, but I still thought I will tell you all that yellow here is for business and green here is for money related opportunities. So then I apply the powder, okay, and then I burn this. When can I do this? Since it's a male member, you can do it on a Sunday also, it works beautifully, or you can do it on a Friday also, it works beautifully. Friday or Sunday, any day is fine. Okay, now here we will burn the cat first, because the cat is the one who will go, right, to bring whatever I'm asking. So the cat will be burned first. After the cat burns, leave it for maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, now after the 2-3 minutes, you can burn the 7 up, because first the cat has to start energizing and start preparing itself. You can also, if you are picking the candles from me, it's already energized and it's already done with the necessary oils. But if you're picking a normal candle, you can apply, as I said, oil. You can also cleanse it with Palo Santo stick. Okay, that's it. This is a very simple but yet a powerful ritual, which you can do at home with 2 simple candles. As I said in the starting, you can also add in a Merlin here for the Merlin magic to begin, because Merlin is always the man who brings in magic. Or if you want, this is a simple one which will do. And if you all liked it, then do share a comment. Let me know how you felt, and if you like this, should I bring in more rituals like this? I would definitely love to bring more rituals like this. As I said, do it on a Sunday or start on a Friday. If you feel, no, my business is good, but I just want to keep energizing it, or doing it more like a top-up types, then do it on every new moon. It works beautifully. Once a month on new moon also you can do this. So do like the channel and share the video, subscribe it, click the bell icon, because now of late in my Insta and in my YouTube I keep going lives with giveaways and takeaways and all. So that's the reason I'm telling you all that if you subscribe and click the bell icon, you will be notified. So have a great day to you all, and have a blessed day, and let me know if you liked it, and I would be more than happy to bring more such videos. Good day.